Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today in School for Elders, I have a very beautiful and adventurous story of Yoshiro Miura. So this man is Japanese alpinist and mountaineer. So why I am calling it as adventurous, because he became the oldest person to climb Mount Everest at the age of 70. After going through two heart surgeries in 2006 and 2007, again he climbed Mount Everest in 2030 at the age of 80, and Guinness Book has recorded him as the oldest man to climb Mount Everest. However, he became the first person to ski from Mount Everest. Yes, my dear friends, he is really adventurous, and even after going through these heart surgeries, he just said that I will come back again and I will again create a new record, right? So, isn't it interesting and inspiring for all of us? So, I mean, please keep on sharing this story. Whosoever needs it, whosoever you feel that they really need to see, and they also, should do these adventure. And age is just a number, as I always say whenever I make this video. Why I am sharing these stories? Because if we are lesser than these ages, then we should definitely be doing something, right? Whatever we want to do. So we are still young. So today I have a very, very, very loving wellness mantra, because this wellness mantra is in our chakra balancing series. This is our heart chakra. This is for our heart chakra, and heart chakra is the middle chakra between these chakras and upper chakras, right? Lower and upper chakras. So heart chakra is related to your heart, love, everything. So if you really want to improve your heart chakra, you need to write love letters to yourself. Why I am saying to yourself? Because love starts from yourself. Everything starts from ourselves. If we hate ourselves, we give hate to the world. If we fight with ourselves every day, every minute, if we don't acknowledge ourselves, if we don't accept ourselves, we don't accept others also, right? So everything starts with self. So in the same way, if you really want to improve your heart chakra, you just need to write your love letters to yourself, and you just need to love, and you just need to spread love. I mean, there are so many other ways with which you can improve. However, this is the easiest way, right? Am I correct? It's so simple. आपको अपने आप को ही लव लेटर लिखना है और कुछ नहीं करना, right? So it will open up your heart, it will improve your heart, and you will be more receptive to love. And if you're more receptive, you will give also that thing, and your heart chakra will be healed, right? So please try this, and please share with someone who really need this, and tag someone who want to know about this mantra, wellness mantra, and want to hear about this story. So it is beneficial for everyone. I mean, all the humans who are present in on this planet Earth, right? So thank you so much. Today I have completed my 100 subscribers without any paid promotion or without anything. So gratitude to all my viewers and subscribers. I'm highly grateful, and I'm so happy, and I feel blessed about it. So thank you so much. See you. Bye bye. Take care.